to replace the petrol filter. There is a star screw here, which basically holds the clamp, which in turn holds the filter in place. Okay, we'll just take that star screw out. You can see what that star screw looks like there. Now we just need to take a flat screwdriver, push in, and pull. Okay, that one comes out nicely. Okay, we've got that out. Got a slightly bigger long nose pliers, which I think will now help with doing this. You just gotta get it in the right place. Push down, and at the same time pull the filter back. There we go. Okay, so when you get a new filter, you should basically get these new clips, the new clips on the filter as well. Okay, so you can see the new filter. Okay, it has the new clamps clips on. So we'll just take off the block offs. Make sure that you put the filter in properly. This is out, so that means that's going towards the car. Try this one first. Okay, that one's in. There we go. Okay, so we've got the new clips in, and then we will also put our little star screw to hold the position of the clamp, to hold it tight. Remember, we need to come back here when the vehicle is running, and we need to just make 100% sure that there's no leaks on this filter. Okay, but that's basically how you put the filter in. Okay, just to go over that, you will see these little things here. It has like two wings on it, and they basically go into that plastic unit and clip into position to hold the filter from pulling out. Okay, it's quite a simple thing, but you know, sometimes you do have a bit of a problem getting them loose because of age, you know, and you know, plastic, it gets hard, man, you know, as time goes by. So that is basically how simple it is to replace the petrol filter. Okay, I hope that this video does it justice, because you know, it's very difficult to film these things when you're alone. But anyway, that's how you replace the petrol filter on a Chevy Utility. Put a new petrol filter in, okay, and we'll just make sure that there are no leaks. Okay, there's no petrol dripping, okay, from the filter.